Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, what will be the value of W? Given that you have W times W times W plus W equals 10, then let's have it to be solution. When we have this, multiplying this together, we have W square. This times this will be W square times this will be W plus W equals 10. W square times W will give us W to the power of 3 plus W equals 10. So from here, when we have W to the power of 3 plus W equals, we can have 10 as 8 plus 2. Then we have here to be W to the power of 3 plus W equals, we can have 8 in base 2 as 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. Then let's subtract this. We have W to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 plus W minus 2 again, these two, then this side will be equal 0. When we will group this, we can have it as W to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 plus open parenthesis W minus 2 equals 0. So from here, we have to recall when we have A square minus B square equals, when we have A cube minus B cube equals A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. So we have to make the comparison. Our A will be W, then our B will be 2. So when we substitute everything here, we are going to have W minus 2 times W square plus 2W plus 2 square. Mind you, we also have this here. So this will be plus open parenthesis W minus 2 equals 0. W minus 2 is common, so we can have this as W minus 2. This to this end divided by this, we have this left, W square plus 2W plus 2 to the power of 2 give us 4. Then we have factored. Here will be plus, this divided by this will be 1, since they are the same, equals 0. We have W minus 2. This will be W square plus 2W. 4 plus 1 will give us 5 equals 0. For this expression to be equal 0, is either we have W minus 2 equals 0, or we have W square plus 2W plus 5 equals 0. So we have W, collecting the like term from here, we have to be 2. Then from here, let's define this parameter A to be the coefficient of W square, then parameter B to be the coefficient of W, which is 2. Then let's see, equals 5. So we have W to be equals minus B, positive or negative, square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. So substituting the value of A, B, C, we have W minus B will be minus 2, positive or negative. Here will be 2 square. 4 times A is 1 times C is 5. Then over 2 times 1. So from here we have W to be minus 2, positive or negative, 2 squared will be 4. 4 times 1 is 4 times 5 is 20. Divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So we have W equals minus 2 positive or negative. Square root of 4 minus 20 will give us minus 16 over 2. So from here, we have to recall when we have root of minus a equals root of a times root of minus 1. Then we have root of minus 1 to be equals I in a complex space. So from here, we are going to have W equals minus 2 positive or negative root of 16 times root of minus 1 over 2. Then we have W minus 2 positive or negative. 16 is a perfect square. We can have 16 as 4 times 4, which equals 4 square. So from here we have 4 square times this will give us I over 2. So from this side, this man we cancel out this. We have W minus 2 positive or negative 4 times I, 4I over 2. So dividing through by 2. So we are going to have this man here minus 2 over 2 positive or negative 4I over 2. Then from here we have W minus 2 over 2 will be minus 1 positive or negative 2 here is 1, 2 in 4 will be 2I. So we have the complex solution to be this. Then we have the real solution to be W equals 2. But we have to verify all this. To verify, we have to recall W times W times W plus W we say equals 10. Then let's test for when W equals 2. This guy will be 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2. Then it's going to give us 10. The question mark. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Here will be 8 plus 2, which equals 10. 8 plus 2 is 10 from here, and this equals 10. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos.